1942, Muslim League did not take part in Quit India movement. Next, the step which ignited the War of Independence was introduction of graced cartridges. Next, the British General अस्सलाम वालेकुम PMA 155 लॉन्ग कोर्स की टेस्ट प्रिपरेशन पार्ट नंबर 9 है। अगर आप लोग चैनल पर फर्स्ट टाइम आए तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें ताकि आने वाली हर अपडेट आप लोगों को इस बर वक्त मिलती रहे। डिस्क्रिप्शन में एक व्हाट्सएप चैनल का लिंक है, आप लोग उसको फॉलो कर ले। वहां पर आप लोगों को इंपॉर्टेंट नोट्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पीडीएफ्स वगैरह मिलते रहेंगे। तो वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं, बट उससे पहले रिक्वेस्ट, अगर आप लोगों ने हमारी प्रीवियस वीडियोस को नहीं देखा तो आप लोग उनको देख लें। बहुत इंफॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस मैंने आप लोगों के लिए अपलोड की थी। आज हम लोग हिस्ट्री ऑफ पाकिस्तान को पढ़ेंगे कि क्या आता है हिस्ट्री ऑफ पाकिस्तान में, कौन से इंपॉर्टेंट ऐसे फैक्टर्स हैं, इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज हैं जो कि पीएमए के पेपर्स में आ सकते हैं। तो वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। उससे पहले अगर आप लोगों ने हमसे पीएमए के नोट्स या आप लोगों ने इसकी प्रॉपर प्रिपरेशन करनी है तो दिए गए नंबर के ऊपर आप लोग रब्ता कर सकते हैं। बिल्कुल मुनासिब फी देकर आप लोगों को प्रिपरेशन भी करवा देंगे, और अगर आपने नोट्स पे करना है तो आप लोगों को मुनासिब फी के अंदर नोट्स भी मिल जाएंगे। तो वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। हिस्ट्री ऑफ पाकिस्तान आज हमारा टॉपिक है, तो इंशाल्लाह कोशिश करेंगे तो मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चन को आज कवर किया जाए। The first question है, in 1858 AD, the person who was appointed the first British Viceroy in India was Lord Canning. In Jhansi, the Muslim revolutionists were led by Rani Lakshmi Bai. Next, after the War of Independence, the last Mughal Empire, Shah Zafar, was exist to Rangoon. Next, Syed Ahmad Khan founded Scientific Society in year of 1864 AD. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan founded Patriotic Association to counter anti-Muslim propagandas of Hindus. Next, the Muslim institution which was established by Syed Ahmad Khan to create political awareness among the Muslims was Mohammedan Educational Conference. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan gave an effective reply to Sir William Muir work Life of Muhammad through his treatise entitled, यानी कि जो इसका टाइटल था वो था किताबे कमदिया। नेक्स्ट, the issue which made Syed Ahmad Khan the conclude that Hindus and Muslims can't not work together and anymore was Hindu-Urdu controversy. Next, Nawab Waqar ul Malik became Secretary of Board of Trustees Aligarh in year of 1907. The Muslim deportations met the Viceroy in 1900 in Shimla. The Shimla deputations consisted of 35 members. The Muslim Shimla deputation of 1906 was led by renewed Muslim leader named Sir Aga Khan. The Shimla deputation presented its demand to the British Viceroy named Lord Minto. The main demand of Shimla deputation, which was accepted in the Minto-Marley Performs of 1909, was about separation electorates. Next, All Indian Muslim Leagues was established in December 1906. All India Muslim League was established in the city of Dhaka. Muslim League was established as a result of the resolution present by Nawab Salim Ullah. Next, Muhammad Ali Jinnah joined All Muslim India League in year 1913. From 1937 to 1944, all the 8th annual session of All India Muslim League was presided over by Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Next, move on करते हैं। Muslim League observed Day of Deliverance after the resignation of Congress ministers in the year of 1939. All India Muslim League passed his historic Lahore resolution in the 27th annual session held in Minto Park, Lahore on 23rd March 1940. In 1942, Muslim League did not take part in Quit India movement. Next, the step which ignited the War of Independence was introduction of graced cartridges. Next, the British general who recaptured Delhi from Bakhat Khan was Sir John Short. Next, after the War of Independence, the British government assumed control of India through Queen proclamations of 1858. Next, in the provincial assembly election held in 1948, the Muslim League was 428 by 492 million seats. Muslim seats, sorry. In the interim government formed in India in 1946, the Muslim League was given 5 ministers. Next was the main architect of the joint meeting of Congress and Leagues in Lucknow in 1916, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. The Muslim of subcontinents launched in Khalifat movement in the year of 1919. In 1919, the Khilafat conference held in first meeting in the city Amritsar. Next, at the time when Khilafat delegation visited England in 1920, the British Prime Minister was Lord George. Next, the Congress launched on cooperation movement in September 1920. In 1920, the historic non-cooperation resolution was moved by M.K. Gandhi. Next, Mahatma Gandhi called of non-cooperation movement when a violent mob attacked a police station in Churi Chura and killed 21 policemen. The incident took place on 5th February 1922. The Statutory Commission in 1928 comprised of 7th member and was held by Sir John Simon. Next, the Simon Commission visited India in 1928. When Simon Commission visited India, Jinnah League and Congress boycotted the commission because no India has been included in it. Simon Commission report was published in the year 1930. In 1935, Sindh was separated from Bombay due to Simon Commission report. The recommendation of the committee under Motilal and called Nehru report, which was submitted in August 1928. Next, according to the Nehru report, the parliament was to be considered to two houses. According to the Nehru report, the governors of province were to be appointed by King of England. Jinnah 14 point was formulated in March 1929. Jinnah 14 point was the Muslim reply in Nehru report. The 14 point of Jinnah demanded reform in the province of Balochistan and KPK. According to the 14 point of Jinnah, no bill or resolution could be passed in any legislatures until in the approved by 3/4 member of concerned community. Next, the Muslim representation of central legislatures demanded in the 14 point was 1/3. Next, Jinnah 14 point where the Muslim reply to the Nehru report from 1930 to 1932. The British government convened in London 3 round table conference. The first round table conference latest date 12th November 1930 to 19 Jan 1931. Next, the renewed Indian leaders who did not take part in the first round table conference was Gandhi. The first round table conference considered in British through 8 subcommittees. Next, the second round table conference latest from September 1931 to December 1931. Next, in the second round table conference, the Hindu leaders who claimed the present all India was Gandhi. The minorities commit failed to reach an agreement because Gandhi wanted the acceptance of Nehru report. The third round table conference lasted from 17 November to 24 December 1932. Due to the failure of the second round table conference, the British government announced its own communal award in August 1932. In March 1933, the British government issued this document, which served as guideline for the Act of 1935 White Paper. तो आज की वीडियो को हम लोग यहाँ पर एंड करते हैं। अगर आप लोगों को वीडियो इन्फॉर्मेटिव लगे तो कहानी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें ताकि आने वाली हर न्यू अपडेट आप लोगों को पर वक्त मिलती रहे। और अगर आप हमसे नोट्स एंड प्रॉपर प्रिपरेशन की सर्विस बाय करने तो देखिए नंबर के ऊपर आप लोग अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, आप लोगों को कंप्लीट प्रिपरेशन करवा देंगे। तब तक हम इजाजत, अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज।